Alright guys, I'm back home. I hope you guys enjoyed those videos of those few races that I did record. I raced a 600 horsepower CTSV. That's a badass ride, super fast. I need a built motor for that guy. It's always those LS, the Corvettes and the CTSVs that are kicking my tail. But that's okay, there's a plan for that. But also I raced a turbo V20 EG hatch pretty quick. Pretty fun race with that guy, cool guy. And then my friend and his Evo I raced as well. And auto GSX. GSX is on 91, stock turbo, I believe. He's got big plans for his. My buddy's Evo, built motor, stock turbo. Can't remember which turbo it is, but it's a stock turbo on it. That thing is, you can tell it's fast. It hit out on me. I would have reeled him in, but he takes the W. He let off as I was coming around. Just kidding, Jared. But that was a good race. But she's back home. I just walked around the car, double checked everything. Everything still seems good. The brakes are good. It was exactly a year ago today that I cracked my rear rotor one night when racing. But yeah, everything's still good, still trucking, and it's on as much power as I can give it on this setup. There's nothing more I can do. This turbo is probably beyond maxed out. I plan on dynoing it again soon, but future videos. But like, subscribe, share. Share the video, guys. Thank you guys for the support. Channel's growing and I appreciate it. But like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, guys.